Imagine a warrior who defied all odds, a king who fought for freedom. This is the story of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, an icon of valor in Indian history. Born in 1630, he became one of the greatest rulers. His journey began by capturing Torna Fort. This pivotal moment sparked his quest for Swaraja, or self-rule. Shivaji Maharaj's strategy was revolutionary. He mastered guerrilla warfare, defeating larger armies. His enemies, like the Mughal Empire, underestimated his clever techniques. He moved swiftly through the mountains, launching surprise attacks. This tactical brilliance set him apart from other rulers. The year 1674 marked a milestone as he was crowned king at Raigad Fort. He was bestowed the title Chhatrapati. His vision for a fair and just kingdom flourished. Shivaji organized a solid administration that focused on governance. He promoted justice and respected all religions. Ensuring safety, especially for women, was a priority. To protect his kingdom's coastline, he built a formidable navy. This move secured trade routes and maintained safety. His rule was renowned for discipline and fairness. People admired his leadership style, which prioritized the welfare of all. After his demise on April 3, 1680, his legacy endured. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj symbolizes bravery and leadership. His commitment to freedom inspires millions today. He envisioned a strong, independent India, leading by example. Now let's pivot slightly to another remarkable figure, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He was born on April 15, 1469, in Talwandi. As the founder of Sikhism, he questioned social inequalities. Young Nanak displayed profound spiritual wisdom and compassion. Guru Nanak taught the importance of one universal God. He advocated for the equality of all humans. No one should encounter discrimination due to their caste, religion, or gender. His teachings focused on three tenets: Naam Japna, Kirat Karni, and Van Chakna. These principles emphasize divine remembrance, honest living, and sharing with others. He traveled extensively to spread these vital messages. His journeys, known as Udasis, took him across India and beyond. Nanak's simple but powerful hymns became foundational to Sikh scripture. He strongly opposed religious discrimination, promoting harmony instead. True devotion, he believed, lies in selfless service and love for humanity. In his later years, he settled in Kartarpur, where he established a community emphasizing equality. In summary, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Guru Nanak Dev Ji symbolize courage, leadership, and unity. Their teachings continue to inspire generations, advocating for justice and freedom. Join us in honoring their legacies. Reflect on their values and the strength they impart. Remember their stories as you navigate your journey. Let's share this message of resilience and unity today.